So friends, today I'm going to teach you how to install Windows 7 in 2025. So the things that you need for this installation are two laptops, a USB drive, and you need to make sure the laptop that you will be downloading Windows 7 on has an MBR partition. So I'll be downloading Windows 7 in this one, and I'll tell you how to verify if it has MBR partition or GPT partition. You need to right click on the Windows button, then you need to go to disk management and then to your main disk, which is my disk 0, as you can see. Then you can right click here and then properties, then go to volumes, and you can see it's in MBR. So first what you need to do quickly is go to your web browser and go to archive.org. Then you go down to the search bar. Remember, it's not in the Wayback Machine, it's down here, and you're gonna search Windows 7 ISO. Then go to the ones which have many stars. So this one, I guess it has got 172 stars. So click in there and then scroll down, and in the ISO image you can see Windows 7 64-bit. So we download that. Then you should search for Rufus, and then you'll come across this software, and scroll down to the download section and then download for Windows x64 in exe. So save that there. So I've already downloaded Rufus and Windows 7 ISO in my laptop. Now what I need to do is take my thumb drive and insert in my laptop. So it's gonna open up, and you just close it and you just open Rufus. Yes, this is the USB drive that I inserted. Then I'm gonna go to boot selection and then select disk or ISO image, then click select. So I'll now go to desktop and select the Windows 64-bit. So this is the one that I just downloaded from archive.org. So you need to select this and click open. Then it's gonna be standard Windows installation. Then change this partition scheme from GPT to MBR, and it's automatically gonna change this to BIOS, and then the file system to NTFS. So make sure it's that. Then you can name this volume label anything that you can remember, like Windows 7, and then you can click start, and it's going to give a warning that all the data on the USB drive is going to be destroyed. So click OK. Then it's going to take some time. Once it's completed, it's going to give you this ready option here, and then you can now close it. So once that is done, you need to go to your web browser and then hit Gigabyte utility, and then you can go to the first website here, you can see. And so go to the search bar and then hit Windows USB. Then you can see a few options here. The one in the October 31 worked for me. I haven't tried other ones, so I'm gonna download this, then save it. I've brought my downloaded utility tool in my desktop, and now I'm gonna right click here and click extract all, then hit extract. It's gonna extract to a new folder here, and I'm gonna click it, then Windows Image Tools, then go to this application, click S, then here you can see none, add USB drivers. This is gonna be our option. And then in the destination path, you're gonna see our thumb drive, which is still inserted in this laptop. So you're gonna click that, then you can select add USB drivers to an offline version, then you're gonna hit start. It's gonna take a lot of time, maybe like 10 to 20 minutes, so you need to wait. Basically what this tool does is it adds the USB drivers in your thumb drive, so you're not gonna face the problem that Windows is not finding drivers in the installation process. So once the process is finished, it's gonna say creating Windows USB installation disk is complete. Then you're gonna do close, pull out your thumb drive. So you're gonna need to do eject trans memory here, and then you're gonna pull out the thumb drive. After pulling out the thumb drive, you'll go to the laptop or PC where you'll want to install Windows 7, and you'll be sorting it down. So while your laptop is shut down, you'll insert the USB drive in your laptop and hit the power key and spam all the function keys. Just hit them fast. And you'll insert the BIOS. So you can check out, this is how my BIOS looks. It's gonna look different on yours because it will be from different manufacturers, and the key that will unlock the BIOS can be different. So it can be from escape all the way up to delete and all these function keys. So you'll be spamming all these keys while the laptop is booting on, and you'll get this interface. You can also search in Google for which key it is, to just go into BIOS for this manufacturer. Then you will go to boot, and then the boot priority order. You can change this with the help of F5 and F6. So first let me select this, and then F5 and F6. So F5 takes it down and F6 takes it up. You need to make sure that your USB drive is in the top priority. Okay, so make sure that, and then you are gonna go to save and exit. So you can see here F10. So I'm gonna hit the F10, then save configuration, yes. Then it's gonna boot from my USB drive and not from my hard drive now. So it says press any key. I'm gonna hit enter, and Windows is loading files. So you'll need to select the language and keyboard. This is correct for me. Then I'll install now. So accept the license terms, then click next, then go to custom. Then you need to make sure that your old operating system is all cleaned up. Since I'm doing this on press new install, so that's what I'm gonna do. Just delete all those partitions by going into drive options, advanced, then you just delete this. Okay, when it's unallocated space, then you need to make a partition. So click new and then apply. So it's gonna say that to insert all the Windows partition, Windows might create additional partition. So yes, okay, then it's gonna create two partitions. Yep, then click on next, and then it's installing. So guys, while it's finishing off, you need to be ready to pull out the flash drive once it tries to restart. Okay, so when it's saying it is going to restart, you need to pull out your USB flash drive. So yep, it's the time, and you need to wait for it to restart automatically. So now it will boot into Windows 7. So as you can see here, there's some driver problem in the Windows 7. So let me remove this, and so yeah, you can see there's the inner network problem. So what you need to do is go here and go to device manager here. Then you can see the other devices. Then there's the network controller. So right click on that and go to properties. Then you need to go to details and go to hardware REDS. So now this is what you need to search in Google from the next computer because here there is no internet. So guys, once you're in the next computer, you need to search the same thing that is written in here, PCIe 168, and make sure all of those details are correct, and then go to driver pack and then select the Windows 7 64-bit. So there it is, and download the zip folder. Try to download it in your thumb drive because it's going to be easy transferring it. So while it's done, then take it out and then put in your next computer. Folder to view files, then you should unzip this, right click here and extract all, then extract. So go to your device driver and right click on the network controller, then go for the properties, then general driver, then you still go to update driver, then browse my computer for driver software, then go to your thumb drive, which is inside your computer, then Windows, then the folder that we have been searching for, this is our folder. So hit OK and then next, and it will install the driver software, so you could use your internet now, as you can see.